How to record calls on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are trying to save an important conversation for future reference, then you may be wondering whether your iPhone can record phone calls. The great news is that the newer version's iPhone includes a built-in call recording feature in some regions, and here's how you can do it. First thing to do is to open up the phone application or the receiver app. From the contact or the recent tab, go ahead and select one of the contacts you want to make a phone call to. Once you make a phone call, wait for the receiver to answer the call. Once they do answer, tap on the More button at the bottom left. You'll then see this kind of an interface where you need to select the call recording button at the bottom. Now, once you tap on the call recording button in red at the bottom, speak normally while the call is being recorded. The recording will continue until you stop it or end the call. After the call ends, the recording is usually saved automatically, and it can be accessed from the appropriate location on your iPhone. It will be saved in your Notes app or call recording section depending on your iOS version. So that is how you can easily record your phone call on iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.